Here's 2 minutes on unfolding a bandsaw blade safely and refolding it into the circular form. So some people are afraid of their bandsaw blades and they think this is the only way to unwrap them. Dangerous at best. Before you undo your bandsaw blades from their nice circular form, wear safety goggles to protect your eyes and a good pair of leather gloves to protect your hands from cuts. Unwrapping a bandsaw blade really isn't all that hard. To do it safely, take the wrapper off. I'm going to leave the guard on just because it's there, so why not use it? So if I take the outer parts, it just unfolds. And that's all there is to it. To wrap it up again, grab opposite sides. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Fold it in. And this is where I screw it up. I know, it's like you take opposite sides, fold one over the other. There you go. Okay, so you hold that at about 1/3 up and 1/3 at the bottom. Bend one in. You can see I've got 3 loops starting to form, and over the other.